Welcome to the Agent of Change journey. What is an agent of change? An agent of change.
We are all Girl Scouts. I have been a Girl Scout since I was a daisy. We do these tasks every single day.
So what is a power of one?
A superhero is someone who does heroic deeds using extra special abilities, but they all use their superpowers to do good in the world.
Are we ready to make our capes?
And look at all of the words that can describe you. You guys are the superheroes. All of these qualities describe you, and that's what makes you super.
We're ready to move on to the power of team. What is that?
Jenny was having a really bad day.
So try and be super nice and supportive and uplifting.
And the amount of teamwork it takes from everybody to create such a simple thing.
How to find your personality strengths. The power of community. Today, we are going to work on all of these.
You love it.
Now that you have that on the back of your paper, do something to remind you that you're a Girl Scout every single day.